Okay, so hello everyone. Students, in my previous video, we studied about modulation. So, what is modulation? Modulation is a combination of two types of signals. So, what are the two types of signals? That is, low frequency message signal is superimposed on high frequency carrier waves and then the signals are propagating. मतलब जो लो फ्रिक्वेंसी है हमारे पास उसको हम किसके ऊपर रख रहे हैं? लो फ्रिक्वेंसी मैसेज सिग्नल इज सुपर इम्पोज ऑन high frequency carrier signal. That means this modulation is a combination of two types of signal. ये modulation दो तरह के signals का combination है that is low frequency message signal and high frequency carrier signal, which we already studied in my previous lectures. Now students, see about the types of modulation. देखो इस पीपीटी में स्टूडेंट्स आपको दिख रहा है व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ मॉड्यूलेशन. देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स, दैट इज एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन, फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेशन, पल्स मॉड्यूलेशन एंड फेज मॉड्यूलेशन. ठीक है, अभी ये इतना डिटेल में आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में तो नहीं दिया, लेकिन हम पढ़ लेते हैं. ठीक है, देखिए व्हाट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस सी व्हाट इज मीन बाय एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन. स्टूडेंट्स हियर यू कैन सी दैट, देखो यहाँ पे ये जो सिग्नल हमें मिल रहा है AF signal. Okay, so this AF signal, it is given to the modulator. Now what is the function of modulator, which we already studied? So student, modulator is going to combine that signal with the high frequency carrier wave and see what is the output. आपको output भी दिख रहा है वहाँ पे. What is the output? It is a amplitude modulated signal. That means amplitude of given signal increases. Amplitude of given signal increases, that is known as amplitude modulation. Okay, so student, what exactly we are doing in this the amplitude of carrier wave is varying according to the information signal. हम क्या करते हैं इसमें हम amplitude is varying according to what? Here amplitude is varying according to the information signal. इसका एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ आपको. देखिए, ऑल इंडिया रेडियो मुंबई स्टेशन, all India radio Mumbai station. So students, signals in this, the signals are transmitted to 1044 kilohertz. मतलब इसका frequency कितना है? 1044 kilohertz. So what is that? This is the carrier frequency. What is this? This is the carrier frequency. Students, again I repeat, amplitude modulation. In amplitude modulation, only the amplitude of carrier wave is varied according to the given information source. जैसे आपको इसमें दिख रहा है, according to the given, ये AF signal जो है, what is this? It is the information source. So according to the given information source, the amplitude of carrier wave is varying. मैंने आपको इसका एग्जांपल दिया, that is all India radio Mumbai station signals, they are transmitted on one frequency and that frequency is 1044 kilohertz. So student, which frequency it is? This frequency is nothing but it is the carrier frequency. Okay, so let's see the next one. Now see students, in this PPT you observe the amplitude modulation. देखो इस PPT में आपको amplitude modulation दिख रहा है. देखिए ये on left hand side, all these are input signals. Okay, now on left hand side, when the second signal, first signal and second signal, when they combine, what happen? Their output increases. उनका output क्या होगा students? Output क्या होगा? बढ़ेगा. मतलब इसमें हमेशा amplitude ही बढ़ता है. Okay, so again I said that amplitude of carrier wave is varied in accordance with the information signal. Okay, students, in class 12 old syllabus, some equations are given for this amplitude modulation. Okay, but according to our new syllabus, that equations are eliminated. Okay, now see the next one. See what are the advantages of amplitude modulation. Students, amplitude modulation is a easier method for transmitting and receiving the speech signal, sound signal. So for that amplitude sound signal, तो उनके ट्रांसमिशन और रिसीव उनको ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए और उनको रिसीव करने के लिए सबसे अच्छा मेथड कौन सा है? तो एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन. देन इट रिक्वायर्स सिंपल एंड इनएक्सपेंसिव रिसीवर्स. Students, for amplitude modulation, simple and inexpensive receivers are required. Then third one, it is fairly efficient system of modulation. That means this system is very easy for modulation. अब हमें पता है कि जिसका कुछ एडवांटेजेस होता है उसका ड्रॉबैक्स भी होता है. अब देखेंगे इसके ड्रॉबैक्स, डिसएडवांटेजेस. एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन इज मोर लाइकली टू सफ़र फ्रॉम नॉइज. मतलब एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन में नॉइज भी आ सकता है. अब स्टूडेंट, नॉइज, हमने नॉइज़ के बारे में पढ़ा था. व्हाट इज़ नॉइज़? नॉइज़ इज इंट्रोड्यूस थ्रू द चैनल. ओके, noise is introduced through the channel. That means if your amplitude modulated wave is propagating through the channel, then noise is introduced in it. And what is noise? Noise are unwanted signals. Okay, now everyone see the second one. The second one is appreciable energy is contained by three components of amplitude modulated wave. So students, appreciable energy is given by all the three components. What are the three components? Transmitter, then पहला component कौन सा होगा? Transmitter. दूसरा component कौन सा होगा? Amplifier. This third component is receiver. So transmitter, amplifier and receiver, they contains appreciable energy or sufficient energy. Okay, so students, sufficient energy can be saved by pressing the carrier wave and one of the side bands. This process makes the equipment complex. That means in case of amplitude modulation, the equipments are more complex. They are very much complex. Third one, cost of such transmitter and receivers becomes practically more. तो स्टूडेंट्स, क्या होगा अगर इनके पास एनर्जी नहीं होगा? सो वी हैव टू गिव द एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी, एंड एज वी गिव द एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी, so the cost of transmitter and receiver, it becomes practically more. Okay, so students, in this way here we finish. हमने इस तरह से अभी यहाँ पे फिनिश किया है, that is amplitude modulation. Okay, so here we finish amplitude modulation. So next one is frequency modulation and pulse modulation.